Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. This today's video is a continuation of the series of the videos regarding Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan, chapter 1 to chapter 30. But because of some chapters are loaded with shlokas, lot of shlokas are there, Professor Deshpande has divided some chapters in the different parts. So I request all of you to go each and every part of each and every chapter or the Adhyaya. Ashtanga Hridaya is a very popular Bruhatatrayi. Amongst the Bruhatatrayi, Ashtanga Hridaya is very popular because it's like a notes from Charaka Samhita and notes from the Sushruta Samhita. So Vagbhat or Ashtanga Hridaya is like a guide for your medical practice. This is good for first year BMS students, from first year to last year BMS students, and also for the doctors, professors, and the common man also. So Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan, chapter 5, Dravadravya Vijnaniya, part 3. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine, Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, double post graduation, that is Kriya Sharira. For communication, my WhatsApp number is 922681060. So today in the part 3, we will discuss from shlok number 20 to shlok number 42. Total shlokas in this chapter 5, Dravadravya Vijnaniya, is equal to 84. Can you see this number 84? That's why Dr. Deshpande has divided this chapter 5 in 7 parts. So this is part 3. Important questions regarding this topic. SAQ, short answer question for 3 or 5 marks. Describe Dugdha Samanya Gun. This is fantastic video. This video is beneficial for everybody, for students, for teachers, for doctors, and for the common man also, because you will get a lot of good content for your life, not only for the examination. Dugdha Samanya Guna, properties of the milk, which is very essential nowadays to understand. According to Ayurveda, according to Vagbhat, according to Ashtanga Hridaya, authenticity, properties of Dadhi, that is curd, properties of Takra, very important, buttermilk, properties of Navaneet, clarified butter, properties of Ghrita, that is ghee. LAQ, long answer question for 15 marks. Describe 8 types of milk. My dear friends, there is a gross misunderstanding amongst the common people that when we say milk and milk products, they believe everything is same. Everything is same. Whether you drink milk, whether you drink buttermilk, whether you take the cheese, whether you take the ghee, everything is same. This is not correct. This is not correct. Each and every milk product, according to Ayurveda, has different qualities, different indications, and different contraindications. Remember, cheese and paneer, which is popular nowadays, are very, very heavy to digest. And that is why those who cannot digest cheese and paneer, they suffer much problems of the health, starting from indigestion up to the heart attack because of the atherosclerosis. Research on the ghee, that is butter, was on salted butter. Salted butter is different, available in the market. But if you cook freshly cooked cow's ghee at home, prepared at home, is not at all toxic like butter that you get, salted butter in the market. This is the difference that you must understand. Okay, let us see this interesting video. Kshira Varga. Kshira means milk. This is group of milk and milk products. Dugdha Bheda, Sanskrit Shabd. Davyam, Mahisham, Ajam cha, Karabham, Strainam, Avikam, Ebham, Ekashafam cha iti, Kshiram Ashtavidham Matam. 8 types of milk. Number 1, cow, Gavya. Mahisha, buffalo. Aja, goat. Karabha, breast milk. Then Ivis and Ekashafa, elephant. Okay, so these are the different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So there are 8 types of the milk. We will go into details afterwards. Dugdha Samanya Guna. Milk is the best food in the world, on the earth. Swadu, now there is a confusion in the foreigners. They don't like to take the milk. They don't drink milk. Why? Because there are two reasons. One, they see that that particular milk is taken from the cow which is fed hormonally. Artificial feeding is there, hormones are injected, and that is why that particular milk becomes poisonous. I agree with that. I agree. But milk, which is having the organic milk is nowadays very commonly available. Although it is little bit costly, but that is very easy for digestion. Second problem in the foreigners that they say that we don't digest milk because of the lactose, that is called as a lactose intolerance. So this is not a very big problem. Anybody can sort out that problem by drinking warm milk and little bit adding dry ginger powder. Dry ginger powder adding warm milk drinking will not cause you the lactose intolerance or loose motions. So milk drinking, organic milk drinking is not at all bad. Okay. Swadupakarasam snigdham ojasya dhatu vardhanam. Oj. Oj is immunity according to Ayurveda. Vata pittaharam vrisham shleshmalam gurushitalam. Prayaha payaha. Generally, milk is swadupakarasa, sweet in taste and also at the end of digestion. Vipak is also madhur. Madhur, madhur, shita. Madhura, madhura, shita. Rasa, vipak, virya. Potency is cool, cooling property. Snigdha, anchas. So this is vata pittahara. Degeneration is prevented. Autoimmune diseases are prevented. Your immunity is boosted up by drinking milk. Ojo Vardhana increases the immunity. Dhatu Vardhana, Rasa, Rakt, Mouse, Meat, Asti, Majja, Shukra nourishes and increases body tissues. Especially it is best for Shukra Dhatu. Shukra, remember, reproductive system, immune system is also related with the milk drinking. Shukra Vardhana, sex tonic. Payaha Sadhya Shukra Karha. Instant energy, instant sexual energy you will get because by drinking of the milk. Okay. Because Shukra Dhatu is developed after the processed by Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Rasat, Raktam, Tato, Mamsam, Mamsat, Medha, Tato, Asnyam, Tataha, Majja, Tataha, Shukraha. So there is a sequence of metabolic process. And as Shukra is a refined product from all the 7 tissues, naturally, that is when you drink the milk, all the dhatus get nourishment. Pittahara relieves the pitta gna, vata pittahara, balancing the disturbed vata and pitta. Vrish, aphrodisiac, shleshmala, a little bit cough can be increased, but that is good for nourishing purpose. Guru, heavy to digest, increases the body weight, and Sheetal, coolant in effect. Gokshira, cow milk benefits. This is the very important cow milk benefits. Go dugdha guna. Atra gavyam tu jivanyam rasayanam. Kshat kshina hitam. Kshat kshina hitam. Medhyam. Balyam. Balyam. Stanyakaram saram. Shrama. Brahma. Mada. Alakshmi. Shwas. Kas. Atitrit Shudaha. Aranajwaram Mutrakrutcham Raktapittam cha Nashayet. Cow's milk is Jivaniya, promotes the long life, Rasayana, anti-aging, rejuvenating. Then Kshata Kshirna Hita, good for those emaciated after the chest injury. Tuberculous cavity, high protein content of the milk. Milk and eggs are good for tuberculosis. Raja Yakshma, according to Ayurveda. Okay. Medhya increases the intelligence, low IQ. ADHD, attention deficit hyperactive disorder. Always ask the patient to take the milk and ghee. Ghee is also important for intelligence. Balya, strength, mouse, proteins, nourishment, milk. Stanyakara promotes the breast milk production. Sir helps easy movement of the bowels for the constipation purpose at night. 1 cup of warm milk and 2 teaspoons of ghee. 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of ghee at night relieves the constipation problem. Soft stool, easy. Okay, relieves the shramahara. Whenever the person is tired by physical and mental activities, drink milk. Brahmahara, dizziness. Okay, mother, toxicity. Then alakshmi, inauspiciousness will be relieved. Shwas, dyspnea will be controlled. Vataja shwas, when dryness is more. Kas, vataja kas, milk is useful. Then atitrikshudha, whenever there is excessive thirst and excessive hunger. What are the English words? Do you know? Remember? Diabetes, polyphagia, and polydipsia. Polydipsia, excessive hunger. Polyphagia and polydipsia, excessive thirst, atitrishna. Then Jirna Jvara, fever lasting for 3 weeks. 3 saptahe vyatitetu Jirna Jvara uktaha. 3 saptahe, 3 weeks, maybe typhoid, maybe viral fevers, maybe corona type infections. Gokshira, after the 2 or 3 weeks of fever, it is very useful. Then what is that? Mutrakritsha, dysuria, burning sensation of the urine. It will be, milk is the good. Rakta Pitta, all types of bleeding disorder, bleeding from the nose, epistaxis, bleeding from the vomiting, hematemesis, because of the tuberculosis, bleeding from the urine, hematuria, bleeding per rectal bleeding, baby piles. So ghee is always protecting you by making you, the weakness is relieved by the gokshira. Mahisha, next type of the milk. Mahishi dubdha, buffalo milk benefits. Hitam, atyagni, anidrebhyo gariyo mahisham hitam. Buffalo milk is good for the people with very good digestion power because it is heavy to digest. Cow's milk is easy to digest. Buffalo milk is heavy to digest. This is the difference in go and mahisha kshira. Okay, who suffer from anidra. For the insomnia, buffalo milk is good. For insomnia, loss of sleep problem, you must drink at night 1 cup of buffalo milk. It is coolant, thanda thanda, cool cool. Aja kshira, goat milk benefits. Alpa ambupana, व्यायाम कटुतिक्त अशनैहि लघुः गोट आजम शोष ज्वर श्वासम रक्तपित्त अतिसारजित. Goat drinks less water and does a lot of walking exercises, vyayam. It eats pungent and bitter grass and vegetables that are light to digest. Hence goat milk also carries these qualities. Okay, goat milk is useful in the tuberculosis, shosh, emaciation, jwara, fever, shwas, that is dyspnea, asthma, chronic bronchial disorders, rakta pitta, bleeding disorders of pitta origin like hemorrhoids, piles, and nasal bleeding. Atisar, diarrhea or dysentery, aja, goat milk is good. Ushtra, ushtra, kshira, camel milk benefits. Very difficult to get in the central part of the India, but in northern part, some people may get this Ushtra Kshira. Ushtri Dugdha Guna, Ishat Ruksha, Ushna, Lavanam, Aushtrakam, Deepanam, Laghu, Shastam, Vata Kafa Anah, Krumi, Shofa, Udara, Arshasam. Milk of camel is Ruksha, keeping the body dry. Ushna, hot. Lavana, salty taste. Deepana, increases the digestive power. Laghu, easy to digest. Vata, kapha, what is that? Shastam, useful in the vata and kapha. Krumi, okay, relieves worm infestation. Shofa, anti-inflammatory. Udara, useful in ascites. And arsha, useful in the hemorrhoid patients. Manusha, Manusha, breast milk benefits. Very important shloka. Stri Dugdha Guna. The breast milk is the breast milk, best milk, as you know very well. Stri Dugdha Guna. Manusham Vata Pitta Asrug Abhigata Akshi Rogajit Tarpana Ashtotanaihi Nasyaihi. Breast milk is useful in Vata and Pitta imbalance. Vata Pitta Har. Vata Pitta Shamana. Okay. Asruk, blood problems, disorders, bleeding problems. Then Abhighat, useful in the injuries. Akshirog, it is useful for the eye problems. Eye drops of the breast milk can be used to relieve the eye infections and to relieve the redness, like for a conjunctivitis. Okay, it is used for the Tarpana and Ashtotana type of the eye treatments. It is also used as a nasal drops. Nas. Next is a Avik Kshira, Ewe's milk, Bhed ka dugdh, Arudyam tu Ushnam Avikam, Avik. Remember this word, Avik. Vata Vyadhi Haram Hidma Shvasa Pitta Kapha. Ewe's milk is not good for heart, hot in nature, useful in Vata disorders, gives rise to the hiccup, respiratory conditions. It increases pitta and kapha dosh. So भेड़ का दूध अच्छा नहीं है, जो कभी ज्यादातर मिलता भी नहीं है. So Ewe's milk is not to be considered too much importance. Then Hastik Kshir, elephant milk benefits. Hathani Dugdha. Hastinyaha Sthairyakrut. It is strengthening in nature, but of course difficult to get. Then what is that? Ek Kurayukta, that is Ashvi and Gardhavi, milk of single hoofed animals. इस प्राणियों का दुग्ध बाढ़म उष्णम तु एक शर्फ लघु शाखावात हरम स अम्ल लवण जड़ता करम. Difficult to get. Milk of single hoofed animals like horse, donkey, etc. is very hot in potency, useful in vata disorders, is slightly sour and salty, and causes the laziness. Uncooked milk, कच्चा दूध, कच्चा पयो अभिषंदी गुरु आमम युक्त्या श्रुतम अतः अन्यथा भवेद गरियो अतिश्रुतम धारोष्णम अमृतोपमो. धारोष्णम अमृतोपमो. फर्स्ट, कच्चा दूध कैसा होता है? अनकुक्ड मिल्क इज अभिषंदी, very problematic for the sinus problem. Don't drink that uncooked milk. It causes excessive secretions in the tissue pores, causes the edema, causes the swelling, causing the blockages. Strotorodha will happen. Strotorodha, very important. Guru, heavy to digest. Amakar, I have explained you what is Ama. Ama is like a toxin, endogenous toxin and exogenous toxin. Uncooked milk, don't drink anytime. Causes the ama and indigestion. Then yuktya shrutam amrutopamam. It is properly boiled. Then it is similar to the nectar, amruta, nectar. Otherwise it is poison, uncooked, without pasteurization is bad. Then dharoshna, milk drawn from the udder, that is nipple, directly into the mouth is similar to the nectar. Dharoshnam amrutopamam. Provided cow is perfectly healthy without any infection. Next, dadhi, curds benefits or soured milk or coagulated milk. The best is a yogurt or the curd. Dadhi guna, amla pakarasam grahi, guru ushnam dadhi, vatajit, medha, shukra, bala, shleshma, pitrakta, agni, shofakrit, rochishnu. Curd is amlaras. Can you see amla pak? Then amla pak vipak undergoes sour taste conversion after digestion. Okay, grahi, absorbent, useful in the diarrhea. Guru, heavy to digest. Ushna, always remember, not good for pitta, pradhana dominant diseases and pitta dominant prakriti, bleeding disorders. Never take dadhi. Those suffering from thalassemia, BTCT is prolonged, never take curd, never eat the curd. If you are suffering from any pitta problem, any ushna problem, hotness is there, don't take dadhi. Okay, amla pitta, no curd. Any kapha problem, no curd. Lot of sneezing, sinusitis, chronic cough, no dadhi, no curd. Vatajit, but balancing the vata dosh increases medha. So if you are having overweight, curd is not good. Shukra, if you are having azoospermia Oligodyspermia, yes, doctor will advise you how much quantity in the afternoon only you should take. Dadhi, not at night. Curd should never be taken at night, according to Ayurveda. Curd should not be taken at night, according to Ayurveda. Otherwise, you will suffer from sinusitis, cold, whole year cold, psoriasis, skin problems, skin diseases, everything will happen with you if you eat the curd at night. Swelling, edema, hepatic edema, cardiac edema, everything will start. Okay. Then don't take when you are suffering from Rakta Pitta, bleeding disorders. Agni, then Shoth, it causes the Shoth inflammation, but it is increases the ST. Dadhi curd benefits or sold milk is continuing. Shastam aruchau shitake vishamajvare. Pinase mutrakricche cha ruksham tu grahani gade. Curd is useful in the, what is that? Aruchau, anorexia, vishamajvar, chronic and recurrent fever, penis, rhinitis, then mutrakricchra, that is dysuria, and grahani, that is malabsorption syndrome. Okay, so in this particular curd, but it should be used very tricky with the doctor's advice, because on the one side I am saying that it is not good for sinusitis, here they have mentioned penis, so you will be get confused. Then that particular thing should be according to the doctor's advice, which type of the penis you have. It is a pathaja, ittaja kaphaja, it is acute or it is a chronic, then doctor will tell you how much amount and processed with black pepper. Processed with black pepper. It should be added with black pepper. Then sometimes acute conditions can be treated with penis and the dadhi with black pepper, but not for the chronic. Not for the chronic. Rules for curd consumption. Na eva adyat nishi. Na eva ushna vasanta ushna sharatsu no. Na amudgasupam. न अक्षौद्रम तत् न अघृत सीतोपलादी चूर्ण, खड़ी साखर, शुगर कैंडी, न च अन आमलकम, आमलकी चूर्ण, न अपि नित्यम, नो एवरीडे, नो कर्ड, नो मंदम अन्यथा, न अमुद्गसूपम, न अक्षौद्रम तत् न अघृत. I think it is repeated, I am sorry for that. Jwara Asruk Pittam Visarpa Kushta Pandu Brahmapradam. If you don't follow these rules of taking the curd, you will suffer from all these diseases. All these diseases. So be careful while eating the curd. Curd should not be eaten at night, number one. Not made hot. Never make the curd hot. Curd should be taken along with always with green gram soup. It should be taken along with honey. Either or, you can take with the ghee or with sugar or with amla, but curd should not be taken daily. No. If used daily, it may cause or may worsen fever problem, bleeding problems, skin diseases, anemia and dizziness. All these things can be worsened if the curd is consumed daily. Takra. Next, fat less buttermilk. Takra guna. Takram laghu kashaya amlam deepanam kafavatachit. Shof udara arsha grahani dosha mutragrah aruchihi. Liha gulma ghritavyaapat gara pandu amayan jayet. Takra takram shakrasya durlabham. Takra is very rare to get to the Indra even, because this is the nectar of this earth. Takra is the best medicine for grahani, chronic colitis, chronic enteritis, chronic problems of the digestion. After lunch, half glass of the takra is the best one. Churned curd. What is that? Takra or buttermilk? Churning process makes the lightness. Curd is a little bit problematic, but buttermilk is more better. Curd is little bit bad. Buttermilk is always better. Okay. So laghu, easy to digest. Amla, sour, astringent. Deepana, improves the digestion. Kapha Vata Jit, balancing the Kapha and Vata dosh, useful in Shop, that is inflammatory conditions. Udara, we give the Takra Ahara, Takra Ahara. We kept the patient of ascites on only buttermilk for 6 months. Ayurvedic Vaidya used to treat this Udara or ascites by giving only Takra diet, buttermilk diet, Takra Ahara for 6 months, nothing else. Or Dugdha Ahara, even the Dugdha Ahara is given sometimes. Then Arshan for the piles, buttermilk is good. Grahani, malabsorption syndrome. Then Mutra Graha, urinary infections, dysuria, painful micturition. Aruchi, anorexia. Pliha, splenomegaly. Gulma, abdominal distension. Ghrita in the indigestion caused due to the excessive consumption of ghee or the fatty substances. Then Garavishan, chronic intoxication, and Pandu for the anemia also. Anemic patients, buttermilk is better. Next, Mastu, supernantal liquid of curds, that is also called as a whey or watery part of the curd. Dadhi Mastu, Tadvat Mastu, Saram, Srota Shodhi, Vishtambajit Lagu. Mastu is similar to buttermilk. It is Sara, that is promotes the movement of fluids inside the body channels. Stroto Shuddhi, cleansing of the body channels. Then Vishtambajit, it is good to relieve the constipation problem, and Laghu, easy to digest. Navanita, that is butter. Navanita Guna properties. Navanita Navamvrisham Sheetam Varna Bala Agnikrit. Fresh Navanit, that is butter, is Vrishya, sex tonic, aphrodisiac. Sheeta, cooling in nature, relieves the inflammation and irritation of your body channels. Bala and Agnikrita improves the skin complexion, your strength and digestion strength also. Navanita, that is butter. Sangrahi, Vata, Pitta, Asruk, Shaya, Arasha, Ardita, Kasa, Jit. Useful for all these conditions. Sangrahi, absorbent, useful in diarrhea. Vata, Pitta, Asruk, Jit. Vata, Jit, Pitta, Jit, Asruk, Jit. Balances the Vata, balances the Pitta, detoxification of the blood, purification of the blood. Useful in Kshaya, chronic respiratory disorders, which can cause weight loss. Then Arsha, piles. Ardita, facial palsy, paralysis. Kas, that is cough. Kshirodbhavam tu sangrahi rakta pitta akshirogajit. The butter made directly from the milk is sangrahi, absorbent, useful in diarrhea. Rakta pitta jit, useful in bleeding disorders. Akshirogajit, useful for ophthalmic problem or eye diseases. Ghrita, ghee or clarified butter. Ghrita guna, shastam, dhi, smruti, medha, agni, bal. Ayuhu, shukra chakshisham. Bal, vruddha, praja, kanti, saukumaryam, swar arthinam. Ghee is ideal for improving your dhi, intelligence, dharana shakti, grantha avadharana shakti, understanding capacity. Your intelligence, your IQ will be increased with the Purana Ghrita, medicated ghee, Brahmi ghee, for example, Brahmi Ghrita. 1 year old Brahmi Ghrita is best to improve your intelligent quotient, IQ. Write down Brahmi Ghrita, okay? Memory, improves the memory. Then ingenuity. Next, digestion strength, long life, Ayuhu, semen, sexual tonic, and eyesight, Chakshisham. Ghee is good for children, Bal, Vriddha, 60 plus, 40 plus, Praja, because this is the best for Majja Dhatu. I request all of you, every day after 40 plus, every day 1 spoon of ghee in your food is very, very, very essential. If you regularly consume the ghee, that will maintain your nerve tissue, maintain your brain cells, maintain your majja dhatu, and that can prevent, taking of ghee can prevent Alzheimer disease, Then hemiplegia, Parkinson's disease. It can prevent motor neuron disease. It can prevent different neurological degenerative problems. So ghee is the best. Ghee consumption is better after 50 plus, 40 plus, 60 plus. Okay. Then it is good for who desire more children, tenderness of the body, and patient voice. क्षत क्षीण परिसर्प शस्त्र अग्नि ग्लपित आत्मनाम वात पित्त विष उन्माद शोष अलक्ष्मी ज्वरापहम. For those suffering from emaciation, weight loss as a result of injury to the chest, that is tuberculous cavity, cancer, lung cancer cavity. Okay. Parisarpa, herpes zoster, injury from weapons and fire, disorders of the Vata and Pitta origin, poison, insanity, inauspicious activity, that is witchcraft, etc., and fevers, you must advise the plain ghee, cow's ghee, or medicated ghee. Snehanam uttamam sarpihi. Uttam, the best in all the fatty substances. In all the fatty substances, in all the milk products, Ayurveda praises the ghee consumption. Snehana uttamam sarpihi, Shitam vayasaha sthapanam, anti-aging, Param, the best, Sahasraviryam vidibhihi kritam, Karma sahastrakrit. Of all the fatty materials, ghee is the best. It is cool, thanda, thanda, cool, cool, best for retaining your youthfulness, anti-aging program, capable of giving 1,000 good effects by 1,000 kinds of processing. Purana Ghrita, old ghee. Mada, Apasmara, Murchaya, Shirah Karna Akshiyoni Jan. Puranam Jayati Vyadhin, Vranashodhan Ropanam. Purana Ghrita, old ghee, is used in the treatment of mother, intoxication, alcoholic intoxication, apasmara, epilepsy, murcha, fainting, shira, karna, akshi, yoni, rog, diseases of the head, shira, karna, that is ear, akshi, that is eye, and yoni means reproductive system. Old ghee cleanses and heals the wound. Milk preparation, fatty dairy products, kilat adi guna, balyaha, kilat, piyusha, kurchika, morana, adyaha, shukra, nidra, kafakara, vishtambhi, gurudoshalaha. Kilat, piyush, kurchika, morana are strengthening, increases the sperm count, semen, sleep, and kapha, cause the constipation, heavy to digest, and aggravates sometimes the vata pitta kapha. Milk preparations, that is fatty dairy products, kilat, solid portion obtained after heating curd or buttermilk. Actually, curd should not be heated. Curd should not be heated. Piyusha, milk of cow which has just given the birth to a calf up to a period of about 3 days or till the milk becomes thin. Piyusha. Kurchika, solid portion obtained after heating the buttermilk, while moran or morat, sour, thin liquid portion. Fatty dairy products, Gavye Ksharaghrute Sreshte, Nindite cha Avisambhave. Milk and ghee obtained from cow's milk are best, and those obtained from ewe's milk is the bad, is the worst. So, my dear friends, this is all about chapter 5, Dravadravya Vijnaniya, part 3, from shlok number 20 to shlok number 42. As usual, I am always requesting you, please like this video because this is a series of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthan from chapter number 1 to chapter number 30. Dr. Deshpande is going to discuss each chapter with Sandhi Vigraha shlokas and discussing and giving the expert comments. So subscribe my YouTube channel, and those who want paid online consultation, paid online teaching programs, paid Panchakarma, they can contact me on 92268 So my dear friends, I wish you all take care, all the best, and I wish you happy healthy and long lives. Thank you and bye bye.